Okay, let's take a look at the Redmi Airdots 2. So these headphones are budget Bluetooth headphones for about $10. So there should be about 12 hours of battery life. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, there they are. So yeah, here we have Bluetooth 5.0. And so individually these headphones should have about 3 hours of playtime. And then the whole box, the case should have 12 hours. So here are the headphones. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's take a look. Right, here have Redmi. And there you go. It's very lightweight. And there are magnets here. Here there are buttons. You click. Let's see if it turns on. I'm not sure there's battery. Okay, you see the red. Alright, so the headphones also came with a case. Here, try to put it. If you want to protect it from scratches and it falls down. So here we go. Okay, let's try to connect it. Okay, so here are the headphones, Redmi. They are paired, so they should be working. Let's put max volume. Here a little bit. But if you put it back in, it should stop. Yep. It stopped. And also the case doesn't stay open. When you open it like this, it closes automatically. Okay, let's do a sound test. Okay, so the sound is very good. The bass is a little bit low, but other than that, it's a great experience. If you put it on maximum volume, you can hear it a little bit outside, but also the maximum volume doesn't go that high. Okay, so these headphones are very good sound quality, and they fit right in the ear, they don't fall out. And so yeah, they should be good. They're good value for $10. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.